Imagine landing in a new country, trying to order food, ask for directions, or negotiate a taxi price. It's awkward, stressful, and makes you feel lost fast. That's why I grabbed the iFLYTEK Smart Translator. After testing it in chaotic places, I can confidently say this might be the most underrated travel gadget in 2025. Let me show you why it hits different. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down the iFLYTEK Smart Translator. This pocket-sized device supports over 60 languages, offers real-time voice and camera translation, and provides free global mobile data for 2 years in more than 148 countries. If you travel, do business internationally, or want smoother conversations across cultures, this video is for you. First off, let's talk build quality. It weighs less than 0.3 pounds, lighter than most phones, and is slim enough to fit in any pocket. The 5.05-inch crystal clear touchscreen is responsive, with an easy-to-navigate interface. Portability matters for travelers, and this device nails it. Now, here's where it shines: the audio system. Unlike phone apps that use a single mic, the iFLYTEK Smart Translator uses a 4-microphone array with intelligent noise cancellation. Even in crowded places, it picks up your voice clearly and translates instantly. You don't need to shove your phone near someone's face. This device captures speech naturally and respectfully. The voice translation is impressive. The face-to-face mode allows real-time conversation while automatically translating both languages. I've tested it with English, Japanese, Spanish, and Arabic. The speed and accuracy surpass most mobile apps, making it feel like a genuine conversation rather than waiting for a slow robot. The photo translation feature is groundbreaking. Just point the camera at a menu, sign, or document and snap a picture for instant translation in up to 50 languages. No guessing, no lag, just clean, immediate translations. Whether decoding receipts or choosing a dish, it simplifies life. Here's the kicker: you don't need Wi-Fi. Unlike most translation apps that fail offline, the iFLYTEK Smart Translator has offline language packs built in. You can translate anywhere, mountains, plains, or subways. This alone is worth the investment for frequent travelers. And for online needs, iFLYTEK offers 2 years of free global data across 148+ countries. No SIM cards, no setup, no roaming fees. Just turn it on and connect instantly. For those traveling to multiple countries, this is a massive money saver. Let's discuss value. Why choose this over phone apps? Simple. Phone mics lose accuracy and noise. Apps are often slow and lack offline functionality. This device preserves your phone's battery for communication. It logs translations for later review. It's more professional for business and healthcare settings. Looking for reliable communication everywhere? The iFLYTEK Translator is a superior long-term option. No device is perfect, but the issues here are easy to resolve. If translations sound off, update the language packs. If networks act weird, toggle airplane mode or switch to offline mode. If OCR is slow, clean the lens or adjust lighting. Battery drains quickly? Enable power saving mode and bring a small USB-C power bank. No complicated troubleshooting, just simple fixes. This device is perfect for travelers, business owners, healthcare professionals, students, and anyone who wants to break language barriers without wasting time. It makes foreign communication feel natural, confident, and stress-free. Here's the final verdict: the iFLYTEK Smart Translator isn't just another gadget. It's a tool you don't realize you need until communication matters. With 60 languages, offline mode, photo OCR, noise-canceling mics, and 2 years of free global data, it's one of the best all-in-one translators I've tested. Check it out in the description for the best available deal. Drop a comment telling me which language I should test next. See you in the next video.